Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make karaoke in Canva. We will begin by outlining the essential components of a karaoke track, synchronized lyrics, and a captivating background. First, select your desired song and ensure you have its lyrics readily available. Then, explore Canva's vast collection of stock videos or images to find the perfect visual backdrop for your performance. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth creative process. Now, let's bring those lyrics to life. Use Canva's text tool to input your song's lines, one by one, onto your canvas. The magic happens with text animations. Choose effects that make the words pop up and fade out gracefully. Crucially, you will need to meticulously time each lyric segment to align perfectly with the song's vocals. This step requires careful attention to detail for a professional look. The heart of any karaoke video is perfect synchronization. Upload your selected audio track directly into your Canva project. Then, leverage the timeline feature to meticulously adjust the duration and placement of each animated lyric segment. This ensures the words appear exactly when they are sung. Regularly preview your work to catch any timing discrepancies and refine the flow for an enjoyable experience. You are almost there. Before exporting, conduct a thorough review of your entire karaoke video. Check for any minor timing issues, spelling mistakes, or visual inconsistencies. You might also want to add a simple title screen at the beginning or an outro with your name. Once satisfied, export your masterpiece in a high-quality video format, ready to share with friends or your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.